Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching Tech Maybe Unique, and today we're going to see how to use your clear formatting option on your WPS spreadsheet on your mobile phone. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to use a clear formatting option on your WPS spreadsheet on your mobile. It's so important topic, you just want to know that. Because for an example, here I just created some borders. So I just want to remove the borders. I just want to have a clear formatting option which will take every formatting option within a few clicks. With a single click, click on this icon, drag to the bottom section, and you will see option. You can see option called clear. Click this. Then here you will see option called formats. Click this. So which will clear all things. For an example, in the top you can see a bigger border. So I just click on this same thing process. I just want to click on this home section, click on the clear option, and click on the format option, which will clear. The same process. This text have a text color and a full text on background also. Just click this, it changes. In this text, it actually has a different text font and with the text color and on the text background. The same process, click on the home section, come to here, scroll down to the bottom section, click on the clear option, and just want to click on the format option. That's it. You can see it's restored to the normal text. This is how you just clear all the formatting option within a single click on your WPS spreadsheet on your mobile. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Maybe Unique. Have a wonderful day.